Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Kia Optima key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly, and you'll see the emergency key pop out slightly. Now, simply pull the emergency key completely out of the fob. This step is crucial as it reveals the next point of entry for opening the case. With the emergency key removed, you'll notice a narrow slot where it was housed. This is your entry point. You'll need a small, flathead screwdriver or even a coin. Make sure your chosen tool is thin enough to fit into this slot without forcing it. This precision helps prevent any damage to the key fob's casing during the opening process. Now, insert your flat tool into the slot. With a gentle twisting motion, you'll feel the two halves of the key fob begin to separate slightly. Do not force it. Slowly and carefully, work your way around the entire seam of the key fob, applying light pressure. This method ensures a smooth separation without damaging the internal components or the casing. Once open, you'll see the battery, usually a CR2032 coin cell. Carefully remove the old battery and insert the new one, ensuring the positive side faces up. After replacing the battery, align the two halves of the key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely reassembled. Your key fob is now ready to use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.